Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create something really cool. We will learn how to import and animate a 3D object inside a website using React, React Refiver and GSAP. And if you are new to all of this, don't worry, you do not need to know GSAP or React Refiver right now. I will teach everything from the basics so you can easily follow along. The only thing you need is a basic understanding of React.js. That's it. Alright, before we start building everything step by step, let me show you a quick demo of what we are going to create. Here you can see there is a text above and one 3D icon was rotating. Let's reload the page. Here you can see the animation has been done using GSAP after the page reload. That means when the page will be reloaded, then this animation will be introduce our page. So when we click on view more button, the 3D object rotate and come to the right side. The text will be appear to the left side with the beautiful smooth transition effect. And when we will click on backward, the beautiful smooth transition will occur and the 3D object return to their original shape and the text appear to the above. So this we are going to create in this video. So this is a project we are building today. You can see here that we have got a 3D object smoothly loading inside a React website and we are animating it with GSAP, create clean transition and interactive effects. Now this is just a demo project, but the goal here is to make you aware of these modern tools because in today's tech world, every developer should at least understand how things like React Refiver and GSAP work together. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to import and handle 3D model in React, and how to use GSAP to animate both your website and 3D object, and how to combine everything into a single smooth experience. By watching this video, you will learn many things, so watch this video carefully till the end. Alright, now that you have seen what we are going to build, let's jump into the setup and start creating this project from scratch. So let's start creating the website. First of all, open your terminal. I'm going to select command prompt here. For creating an React app, I'm going to using LiQWYD, and I also prefer you to use LiQWYD because LiQWYD is very fast way to create an React app. For creating an React app using LiQWYD, write npm create LiQWYD at the latest. This will install the latest version of LiQWYD. It will take few seconds. Now give your project name. I am going to leave it default. Then select framework, select React here, then choose JavaScript, then leave it as it is no, and leave it as it is yes. This will install our React app, and we can also run the React app using npm. So let it be installed. Here you can see our app has been running successfully on port 5173. Let's see. Our app is running good. Now go to your VS Code editor. Go to src folder. Inside this, I am going to remove some basic stuff, like I am going to delete index.css. If you deleted index.css, go to your main.jsx file and remove index.css from here also, otherwise it will create an error. Then go to app.jsx file, remove all these things. Now write RAFC. This is an extension which I have installed from React ES7, and this is a very short form to create a React export function. Now hit enter. Here you can see our React function has been created successfully. Let's see our app is running good or not. Our app is running fine. Let's start writing the code. I am going to start with a basic structure of our layout. First of all, I am going to remove this div. and app also. First of all, we will create a structure, then we will style them, then we will animate our website. So let's begin. First of all, create a div with the class name of main container. Inside this, create a one more div with the class name of first view. I am going to divide this project in two parts. First, the first view we will see when the website will be loaded. The content we will see when the website will be loaded, and when we click on learn more button, then the second view will appear. So in this manner we are going to create this type of interface. Let's do it. Inside first view, first of all we are going to handle text here, so I am creating one more div with the class name of text. After that we will write all the text or all the content related to our 3D model. In h4 tag I will write planet, then I will create an h2 tag and I will write earth here, but inside span I am going to write r and th. Then we will going to write some paragraph also. After all this we will create a one button also, view more button. Then now we will render our 3D model. To render 3D model, first of all we have a 3D model. So where we will have a 3D model, we can download our 3D model from sketchfab.com. This is a platform where you can see a variation of 3D model, varieties of 3D model you will get on this platform. We are going to import earth here, so I am searching earth and we will select 3D model from here. I think this model is good, or this model. Let's see which one is good. Okay, get any v3D model. I am going to select this one, click download, then select GLB format. I am going to download this. After that, open new tab and search GLTF2 React 3 Fiber and visit this website. Then upload your 3D model here. Our 3D model isn't loaded correctly, I think. Re-upload your model. Okay. Trying to download one more time. Our model has been downloaded. Let's check. Now upload your model inside a public directory. I'm going to rename it earth.glb. After that, copy this code and create a one more file with the name of with the name of earth.jsx and paste it here. Before you paste, you have to install React 3 Dryer and React 3 Fiber. So create a one more terminal or command prompt window and install React 3 Fiber. npm React 3 Fiber. Visit this website npmjs.com and copy this one and paste it here. Then hit enter. First of all, go to your project directory, then paste, then hit enter. Let it be installed. And rename this also. And rename this also, right? Earth. To render Earth, we have to create a one more file named scene.jsx. Scene.jsx. We also have to install React 3 Fiber. So copy this and paste it to your terminal, then hit enter. Now inside scene.jsx we have to write some code. Write RAFCE React arrow function component and export. Inside scene.jsx we have to import some libraries like perspective camera, orbit controller, environment. This library we have to import from React 3 Dryer. Then we'll import it here. First of all, we will use perspective camera here. And we will set it make default position to 500 and FOV to 50. After that, we are going to use environment here and we are going to use preset to city. Then we will import our earth model here. First of all, we have to import it here. Import earth. Then we will use our earth model here. After that, we are going to use orbit controller here, and we will set enable zoom to false, enable pan to false, and enable rotate to false. Then we will import our scene.jsx to app.jsx. Import scene. After the text, we will create one more div with the class name of earth because the model will be shown here. Then we have to import one more thing from React 3 Fiber, which is canvas. Then we will use canvas here. Inside canvas, we are going to use scene.jsx. Let's see our model is visible or not. Here you can see our model is visible, but it's not colorful. So that I am going to choose another model. Go to sketchweb.com and let's choose another model. Let's choose this one. Go to download section. Download in GLB format. Click download. After download, go to this website, then drop your model here. This is also not colorful model. Let's try to download in different textures like 4K. Reload this website, then drop your model here. This is not a colorful model. Close this. Choose the different model. I'm going to choose this one. I think this one will be good one, or this one. It's fully up to you, whichever model you are choosing. Let's choose this one model. I'm going to choose this model. This look awesome. Download this model in GLB format. Download. After downloading, once more reload this website and drop your model here. This is how our model looks, but it's not look like this one. Let's select another model. Let's choose this one. Click on download. Choose model which whatever you prefer, whatever you like, choose the model. Then follow this step, follow the same step as I do. The model is up to you, whatever model you choose. It's not dedicated that you have to choose same model what I choose. This is just an tutorial video where you will learn how you can animate your 3D model in your website, or how you can create your 3D website, 3D animated website using React.js and GSAP. This is just for a demo. Yeah, this model looks good and very clean. So copy this GLB code, React 3 Fiber code, and paste it here. And also drop model to here also. And rename, delete this file, delete the previous file and rename this file. Export function model, rename it to earth. Rename this one also and this one also, and save. Let's see our model is visible or not. Refresh this page. Here you can see our model is completely visible here. So let's design this web page and move further. To design this web page, go to app.css. First of all, import app.css and app.jsx file. Import /app.css. Go to app.css. Now save. Remove all this code. Give the margin to give a margin to 0, padding to 0, font family to the sans serif, and box sizing of the border box. And save this one. It's good. Now let's design our page. First of all, we will design the main container. Copy the main container and paste it here. Give it display to flex and flex direction to the column, and mean height to 100 VH, and background will be linear gradient to top *010b19 and *042c62. Looks good. Give it a max width of 100 VH, 100%, and overflow to hidden. Inside the main container, we will design the first view. So first view, give it margin top 150 pixel, max width 100%, align item center, and width 100%, z index 2. Okay, good. So inside the first view, we will design the text section. Give it max width to 100%, text align center, z index to 4, and position to relative. Inside text, let's design H4. Give it text transform to uppercase, font size 32 pixel, letter spacing to 3 pixel, and color hashtag FFF, which is white color. Planet looks good. After H4, let's design the H2 section. Margin top 20 pixel, color hashtag FFF, font size 72 pixel, text transform uppercase, and font width to 200. Earth. Let's add some letter spacing also. Letter spacing 3 pixel. Now it's look good. After the H2 design, let's design the paragraph. Margin top 20 pixel, margin right 20%, margin left 20%, color hashtag DEC6C6, sorry, D6CECE, and text transform to the capitalize, and line height of 26 pixel. This is how it look likes. Let's add some letter spacing also. Letter spacing 1 pixel. Now let's design the button also. Let's design the button. Margin top 60 pixel, padding 12 pixel, 30 pixel, background hashtag FFF, color hashtag this one, border none, outline none, and set the border radius to 30 pixel pointer, and font width to 600, and cursor pointer. Looks good. Now let's design our model also. Inside first view, let's design the model with the class name of Earth. First of all, let's create one more div before Earth, div class name model. Now inside the model div, we will wrap the Earth div, so we can design efficiently. Now go to your app.css and select model for an style, and set position to absolute. Position will be an absolute, width will be an 100%, height will be a 910 pixel, top will be 0 and overflow will be hidden. Here is our planet. Now inside model, let's design the Earth section. Set position to the absolute, top minus 30 pixel, minus 30 pixel, width 100%, height 100%, and overflow will be hidden. This is how our models look. Let's enlarge the model. So inside Earth, go to canvas, there will be small c, set position to the absolute, and top 450 pixel. Our model looks very small. Let's make it large. For making it large, go to your earth.jsx file. Inside earth.jsx file, inside group, tag, write scale. Scale will be like 1.2. Save it. Increase the scale like 1.8. It's very large. 1.5. Okay, 1.6. 1.7. Now it looks good. But our planet is not rotating, so let's plan it to rotate. Let's make the planet to rotate. Go to your scenes.jsx. First of all, create one use ref hook. Const earth ref equals to use ref. Now let's make the earth rotate. For that, use frame hook from React 3 Fiber. Pattern function. Now if earth graph dot current, then this function will be work. Earth ref dot current dot rotation dot y minus equals to 0.02. This will make the earth rotate. For use ref hook, create one group tag above the earth, then wrap earth inside the group tag. Now inside the group tag, pass the reference like earth ref. Now save this. Here you can see the earth is rotating automatically, but you cannot access the earth orbit to control his rotation. This is what we want, so let's animate the earth. Before animating our model, first of all animate the text and the model when the website will be loaded. This is the basic animation when the website will be loaded, but let's add some animation transition to make it look attractive and good. Let's do it. We will do this from GSAP. Go to your new tab and search npm GSAP. You will get this website. Go to this website. This is the official GSAP website, and you will get all you want. Like we will use GSAP here. So what we have to install? Just select whatever you want to use, and this will give you the code, the installation code. This will give you the installation code. So only we are going to use the use GSAP here. So let's copy this. Go to your VS Code editor, go to your terminal and paste it here. It will take few seconds to install. The library has been installed successfully. Now go to your app.jsx file. So let's animate the whole thing when the website will be loaded. First of all, import the GSAP here. Put GSAP from GSAP. Then we will animate whole thing when the website will load, so that we are using the use effect hook. And pass the dependency array here. Then write GSAP dot from to. It means the GSAP will be run from this state to this state. I will explain it further. So let's do it. We want GSAP in the text section. Dot text, inside text we want in h4 tag. I will give y to -20. Filter will be blur 20 pixel, and opacity will be 0. Then I will give y to the 0. Filter will be blur 0 pixel, and opacity will be 1. And duration will be 1, and ease will be power 3 dot out. That's simple. Go to your browser and see. Let's reload this page. There is an error. Power 3 is not defined. This is an error. Let's check it. You have to pass this in column, double quote. Then let's go to the browser, reload. Here you can see these animations implemented to our text, and it also looks good. So this type of application we will implement to the whole text. So let's do it. After doing the animation on h4 tag, let's do the animation on h2 tag. Write GSAP dot from to. We will target text div. Inside text div, we will target h2 tag. Then we will set opacity to 0. After that, we will set opacity to 1 and delay of 1 second. Let's check. Refresh the page. The delay takes too much time, so let's decrease the delay time. Let's set it 0.3. Now refresh this page. Now it looks good. Now let's animate the paragraph section. So write GSAP dot from to now inside text section, go to the P, let's set opacity to 0 and I will give Y to 10. Now let's set opacity to 1, delay 0.3 and Y to -10. Sorry, let's set Y to 0 because this is the initial state when the page will be loaded and this is the animated state where the animation will done. Let's refresh this page. Now it looks good. Now let's design the button section. Animate the button section. Write GSAP dot from to inside text div, we will design the button div. We will design the button tag. We will give the same design like we have given to the paragraph section. Opacity to the 0, Y to the 10, then opacity to the 1, delay of 0.3, Y to the 0. It looks good. Now let's animate our 3D model. Once more time, write GSAP dot from to. Now let's select the earth class name from here because we are going to animate this class. Now let's set the initial state to Y200, filter blur 20 pixel, opacity to 0, then Y to the 0, filter blur 0 pixel and opacity to the 1. This is animated so fast, so let's add duration here. Duration of 1 second. Now it looks good and smooth. So we have animated the smooth and good transition using GSAP. Now let's animate when the user will click on view more button. Then this model will goes to this side and the text will be appear here. The detailed text will be appear here. So let's design this. Now let's design the second view. Inside the main container, after the first view section, we will design the second view. The class name second view. Inside the second view, we will give the class name info. Inside info, we will give the h4 tag and write the blue planet, because the Earth is also known as the blue planet. This is the only planet which is a blue color in our solar system because of the water. Then we will give h2 tag, and inside span section we will write E and other ARTH after the span. Then we will give the paragraph. This is our paragraph. Then we will give one button. The back button. I want to insert some icons, so I will go to React icon. Back. Let's select this one. First of all, we have to install our React icon to our project. Select this, go to the project directory and paste it here, and then hit enter. It will install the React icons to the project directory. After that, now we can import our icons to their project. Good. After importing the icon, let's see our website. This is how our website looks now, but we want whenever the page appears, then this text will be hide, and whenever we click on view more, then this text will be appear. So let's make it. To make like this effect, we have to create a one function here, on click function. We will create a one on click function here, and I am going to give it a name of handle view, because this will handle the view. This will switch the first view to second view. Okay, sorry, copy this. Now we will use this function here, const handle view. First of all, we will fade out the text. We will fade out all this text whenever we will click on view mode, because we want to show this text. That's why we have to fade out this text. So write GSAP dot to select text here, text, y to the -40, opacity will be 0, filter blur, okay, filter blur 10 pixel, and duration will be 0.8. Let's check it. Now the text is not visible. There you can see the text is not visible right now. And very smooth transition effect, the text goes disappear, but the buttons and all things is working. So let's design the second view in style. Go to the app.css, copy the whole first view section. First, from first view text section, copy the whole things like h4, h2, p and button. Copy it and paste it here. Then change the first view to second view, like first view text here, h4, h2, p text button. Then second, change to the second view section. Just change text line center to text line left. Then save this, reload the page. Nothing's changed. Why? Because we didn't use the text here, we used the info. So copy all text and change it to info. Then save. Now it looks good. But we have to set some margin here. Go to the second view info. Remove the Z index. Then set margin left to 50 and margin top to -150 pixel. Now it looks good. Now go to the paragraph section and remove this margin left 20% and increase the margin right to 60%. This is how it looks. Go to the app.jsx. Now let's animate our model. GSAP dot from to inside the earth div. We are going to animate the canvas because inside canvas our 3D model. Inside the canvas our 3D model are there. Give overflow to hidden. Then give x to 350, y to -250, and opacity to 1 and scale 1.7. Then overflow will be visible. Then set the delay to 0.6 and duration to 1. Then rotate to 70. Now save this, reload the page, then click on view more. Let's see one more time. This is how our model will be act. Now let's animate our info and text section. GSAP dot from to inside the second view. We are going to animate the info section. from opacity 0, y should be 20, and filter blur to 20 pixel. From then to opacity 1, z index to 4, y to 0, and filter blur to 0 pixel. And delay of 1.2. Let's load this website. But this should not be visible. Go to the styles app.css, and inside app.css go to this second view info and set the opacity to 0. Now reload this website. Now it looks fine and polished view, but when we click on back button, then this animation will appear and we will get back to this page. I mean this is structure. We will go back to this is structure with the transition effect. So let's make this. To make the back transition, we have to create a one or more on click function to the back button. I'm going to give it a name of back view. Back view. Then go to con, then then we will handle the function here, const back view. First of all, we will make the second view text disappear. So GSAP dot from to from second view. Inside second view, from info, from this this is the initial state which we have set to the info. From this to this, now this property will be set to the second view info section. Let's check. The text has been disappeared. To create a earth rotation transition, we will use the timeline function. So let's create a timeline. For that, we will create a one constant variable with the name of TL equals to GSAP dot timeline. We will use the timeline here. Then we will use TL dot from to, from first view, not from first view because we have to select the earth canvas here. So from earth, inside earth canvas, so this is the initial state, x 350, y minus 450, then opacity 1, scale 1.7, and rotate of 70. From this we will set scale to 13, x to minus 200, rotate to 240, and duration to 1.3. After that, dot 2, from this timeline we will move further in earth canvas. Y30, scale 1.1, duration 1, x 0, and rotate to 360. So this will be the transition effect of our model. Let's see the transition. Then we'll click on back. This is the transition effect. Now the text will appear here. So let's make the text to the appear here. Now we will use dot from to in this timeline. Dot from to where first view, inside first view dot inside text. Now we'll set to the x to the 40, opacity to the 0, from opacity to the 0, and filter blur from 20 pixel to, we will set opacity to the 0, opacity to the 1, x to the 0, and filter blur to the 0. Now save, reload the website. Now let's see the complete transition and effects. When the user will click on view more, then this transition will be done. Then then we will click on back button, then this transition will be appear. Okay, let's go with the Y. View more. Why this button is not working? Go to the code and okay, from z index 4 to set the z index to the 0, z index to the 0. Now let's load the website. Back. This is the complete animated website using the GSAP and React.js with the 3D model and React 3 Fiber. You can animate this type of website, or you can animate anything using the GSAP. But the main aim of this video to get you how you can animate your 3D model and use 3D model to your website with the animation effects. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel also for more such relatable content. See you in the next video. Thank you.